Did you know that 97% of women in the world choose a partner based on how good they are in intimate relationships? This is because the woman releases the famous and precious hormone endorphin, also known as the happiness hormone, which helps to relieve physical and emotional pain. Interestingly, after menopause, the sensitive area can be 2.5 times larger than when the same woman was a teenager, which may explain why some women have stronger romantic responses in their midlife and 50s. Understanding what truly ignites passion and sustains romantic connections is not just a matter of guesswork or intuition. It's rooted in neuroscience and behavioral patterns that shape our relationships. According to a notable study, a strong romantic bond activates the brain's passion centers, indicating that our neurological makeup responds deeply to emotional and physical intimacy. However, despite this biological predisposition, modern lifestyles often pose significant challenges to maintaining such connections. Statistics reveal a stark reality. A substantial portion of adults, 40% of men and 35% of women, engage in romantic activities only once a week. This trend is largely attributed to the demanding nature of work, where long hours and career commitments overshadow the time and energy needed for nurturing romantic relationships. The prevalence of work-related stress and exhaustion can dampen the desire for intimacy, despite its vital role in overall well-being. Moreover, technology's omnipresence in our lives introduces another layer of complexity. Surprisingly, 20% of individuals under 35 admit to using their cell phones during romantic moments. This digital distraction not only detracts from quality time, but also diminishes the emotional connection that is crucial for sustaining passion and closeness. Interestingly, studies also highlight behavioral patterns that affect relationship dynamics. For instance, women are statistically more likely to be unfaithful during ovulation, a biological phenomenon linked to heightened sexual desire and attraction to perceived strong genetic traits. This insight underscores the interplay between biology and behavior in shaping romantic fidelity. Furthermore, a concerning finding reveals that a staggering 85% of couples in the United States do not engage in open conversations about each other's preferences and desires. This lack of communication often leads to monotony and dissatisfaction within relationships, where partners may feel unfulfilled or misunderstood despite their mutual commitment. To illustrate the impact of these insights, consider the story of John and Sarah. John, a dedicated executive, spends long hours at the office, often arriving home exhausted and mentally drained. Despite his genuine love for Sarah, their once vibrant relationship has gradually waned, with intimate moments becoming rare occurrences amidst their busy schedules. Sarah, on the other hand, finds solace in her smartphone during their occasional dinners together, inadvertently creating emotional distance despite her longing for connection. In contrast, couples who consciously prioritize quality time and communication thrive in their relationships. Take Mike and Emily, who make it a point to discuss their day-to-day experiences and share intimate moments regularly. Their open dialogue fosters a deep understanding of each other's needs and desires, creating a bond that withstands the pressures of daily life. In light of these observations, fostering a lasting romantic connection requires a multifaceted approach. Beyond biological urges and technological distractions, nurturing intimacy involves intentional efforts to communicate openly, prioritize quality time, and understand each other's emotional cues. By acknowledging the neurological underpinnings of passion and addressing societal challenges that impact modern relationships, individuals can cultivate fulfilling and enduring bonds that enrich their lives. Then, the journey towards sustaining romance is a blend of scientific understanding, personal reflection, and proactive engagement. It requires couples to navigate the complexities of modern life with empathy, resilience, and a commitment to nurturing the emotional and physical aspects of their relationship. In doing so, they not only deepen their connection, but also enrich their overall well-being and happiness. Delving into the realm of romantic climaxes unveils a captivating fusion of biology, emotion, and potential health benefits that intrigue both scientists and everyday individuals alike. While not typically the focus of medical prescriptions, these climactic moments are believed to exert a positive influence on the immune system. The physiological cascade during a climax involves a series of remarkable events. Typically, 5 to 15 contractions ripple through the body, each lasting 10 to 30 seconds. These contractions are accompanied by the release of endorphins, natural painkillers, and oxytocin, famously known as the love hormone, which not only enhance pleasure but might also play a role in stress reduction and emotional bonding. What makes each climax truly unique is the distribution of nerve endings in intimate areas, likened to the intricate patterns of snowflakes. This variability means that sensations and experiences differ greatly from person to person, highlighting the deeply personal nature of intimacy and arousal. Beyond the physiological, cultural, and traditional beliefs also come into play. Ginger, revered in many cultures for its stimulating properties, is said to increase heart rate and blood flow, setting the stage for a romantic evening. This culinary delight doubles as an aphrodisiac, enhancing feelings of excitement and anticipation, bridging the gap between folklore and scientific curiosity. Psychologically, the aftermath of a romantic climax often includes heightened feelings of connection, relaxation, and overall happiness. These emotional benefits are not just anecdotal. Studies suggest that maintaining a satisfying intimate life can contribute to lower stress levels and greater emotional well-being, reinforcing the notion that intimacy is not only pleasurable but potentially beneficial for holistic health. Scientifically, the link between sexual activity and immune function continues to be explored. Some studies hint at a correlation between sexual frequency and improved immune response, potentially due to the release of certain antibodies and immune-boosting hormones during intimate moments. While conclusive evidence is still being gathered, these findings underscore the complex interplay between physical intimacy and our body's defense mechanisms. Statistically speaking, research into sexual health consistently reveals correlations between relationship satisfaction and overall happiness. Couples who prioritize intimate connections often report higher levels of relationship satisfaction and emotional fulfillment, suggesting a reciprocal relationship between physical intimacy and psychological well-being. In practical terms, understanding the potential health benefits of romantic climaxes encourages individuals to prioritize emotional connections and invest in healthy relationships. This holistic approach to well-being aligns with broader health recommendations that emphasize the importance of both physical and emotional intimacy in fostering a balanced and fulfilling life. As societal conversations around sexual health become more open and informed, there is a growing curiosity about the multifaceted benefits of intimate experiences. By exploring the intersection of pleasure, emotional connection, and potential health benefits, individuals are empowered to cultivate healthier relationships and lifestyles, promoting not only personal happiness but also immune resilience and overall wellness. In conclusion, the exploration of romantic climaxes as potentially beneficial to health invites a deeper appreciation for the complex interplay of biology, emotion, and well-being. By recognizing and nurturing the intimate aspects of our lives, we not only enhance our personal happiness but also contribute to a more vibrant and resilient society where holistic health is prioritized and celebrated. This ongoing dialogue encourages further research and understanding into the profound impact of intimacy on human health and happiness, inviting individuals to embrace the interconnectedness of physical pleasure, emotional fulfillment, and overall well-being. Exploring the dynamics of romantic activities and their impact on personal well-being and satisfaction reveals a fascinating tapestry of desires, rituals, and physiological insights. According to recent surveys, nearly 75% of individuals express a desire to engage in romantic activities at least 3 times a week. This statistic underscores the universal longing for connection and intimacy, highlighting how integral these experiences are to our emotional fulfillment and relationships. Interestingly, studies suggest that men under 40 typically take about 10 seconds to become physically aroused, a testament to the immediate physiological response that can precede romantic encounters. This rapid onset of arousal reflects the complex interplay between physical stimuli and emotional readiness, setting the stage for intimate moments that can deepen bonds and enhance mutual satisfaction. Culturally, certain regions evoke a romantic aura that transcends geographical boundaries. Greece, renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, ancient mythology, and passionate traditions, is often hailed as one of the most romantic places in the world. The idyllic sunsets over Santorini, the azure waters of the Aegean Sea, and the rich tapestry of history and culture create an enchanting backdrop for lovers seeking to ignite or rekindle romance. Beyond cultural influences, the role of nutrition in enhancing romantic experiences is increasingly recognized. Consuming sweet foods or drinks before intimate encounters is believed to contribute to smoother interactions and heightened pleasure for both partners. This sensory enhancement aligns with the notion that taste and aroma can stimulate not only the palate but also physical and emotional senses, enhancing overall romantic enjoyment. Moreover, hydration plays a crucial role in optimizing physical performance and sensory experiences during intimate moments. The human body, composed predominantly of water, relies on adequate hydration for optimal functioning, including circulation, nerve transmission, and muscle relaxation, all essential components of a satisfying romantic encounter. Being well hydrated ensures that individuals are physically prepared to engage fully in intimate experiences, promoting comfort, stamina, and overall enjoyment. Real-life anecdotes and testimonials often underscore the profound impact of these factors on personal relationships and well-being. Couples who prioritize regular romantic activities frequently report higher levels of satisfaction and connection in their relationships. This emotional bond not only enhances personal happiness but also contributes to a sense of fulfillment and security within partnerships, reinforcing the importance of nurturing intimate connections. Statistically, research on relationship dynamics consistently highlights the positive correlation between intimacy and overall relationship satisfaction. Couples who engage in regular romantic activities tend to experience lower levels of stress, improved communication, and greater mutual support, fostering a harmonious and resilient bond over time. Practical advice often emphasizes the holistic approach to enhancing romantic experiences, encouraging individuals to consider the broader context of physical, emotional, and environmental factors. From creating a conducive atmosphere with romantic settings and gestures to incorporating sensory delights like sweet treats and maintaining optimal hydration, each element contributes to a memorable and pleasurable encounter. The evolving discourse around sexual health and wellness encourages individuals to explore and prioritize their intimate lives as an essential component of holistic well-being. By understanding the multifaceted benefits of romantic activities, from physiological arousal and emotional connection to stress reduction and relationship satisfaction, individuals are empowered to cultivate fulfilling relationships and enhance their overall quality of life. In conclusion, the exploration of romantic activities as integral to personal happiness and relationship fulfillment invites individuals to embrace the richness of sensory experiences, cultural influences, and physiological insights. By nurturing and celebrating intimate connections, individuals not only enrich their own lives but also contribute to a society where love, understanding, and mutual respect flourish. This holistic perspective encourages ongoing dialogue and exploration into the transformative power of romance in enhancing human connection and well-being, inspiring individuals to cultivate meaningful relationships that enrich their lives on multiple levels. How women respond to romantic and gentle touch. It is a deeply intricate and intriguing aspect of human behavior, one that is influenced by a blend of psychological, biological, and individual factors. Each woman navigates intimacy in her unique way, shaped by her upbringing, past experiences, and current emotional state. Let's delve into this complexity. It's important to recognize that women vary widely in their preferences for touch. Some may find that a gentle touch on their skin sparks a profound sense of connection and arousal. This sensitivity to touch isn't just about physical sensation. It taps into the brain's intricate network of responses to romantic stimuli. When someone experiences romantic thoughts and feelings, it can trigger the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone. This neurotransmitter plays a crucial role in fostering feelings of trust, closeness, and emotional bonding. Consider Sarah, a woman in her 30s who discovered through exploration with her partner that she derives immense pleasure from romantic gestures like slow dances in softly lit rooms. For Sarah, these moments of intimate touch weren't solely about physical pleasure. They provided a profound emotional fulfillment, deepening her sense of intimacy and connection with her partner. This example underscores how understanding and catering to individual preferences can significantly enrich the fabric of intimate relationships. Statistics also shed light on these dynamics. According to recent research by relationship institutes, a substantial majority of women, approximately 70%, expressed feeling more open to physical intimacy when they feel emotionally connected to their partners. This highlights the pivotal role of emotional engagement and mutual understanding in fostering a woman's responsiveness to romantic touch. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that various factors can influence a woman's ability to respond to romantic stimulation. Medications prescribed for conditions like anxiety or depression, for instance, can sometimes diminish libido or alter sensitivity to touch. Hormonal imbalances due to health issues or life stages, such as pregnancy or menopause, can also impact how a woman experiences and responds to intimacy. Take Maya, for instance, a young professional who faced challenges in connecting physically with her partner during a period of hormonal imbalance. Despite their strong emotional bond, Maya found herself grappling with changes in her body that affected her desire for physical intimacy. Through open communication and patience, she and her partner navigated this phase by prioritizing emotional connection over purely physical touch, demonstrating the importance of adapting intimacy to accommodate life's fluctuations. Research further suggests that women's responsiveness to romantic touch can evolve over time, influenced by changes in life circumstances and relationship dynamics. Women often report heightened sensitivity to touch during periods of emotional vulnerability or transition, such as after the birth of a child or during significant stress. Understanding these nuances is pivotal for partners aiming to navigate the complexities of physical and emotional intimacy together. In essence, nurturing a woman's responsiveness to romantic touch necessitates a comprehensive approach. This involves not only recognizing and respecting her individual preferences and physiological responses, but also creating an environment conducive to emotional connection and mutual exploration. Couples who prioritize open communication, empathy, and patience are better equipped to cultivate deeper, more fulfilling relationships founded on trust, respect, and intimacy. Fostering a profound emotional connection that transcends the physical requires embracing the intricacies of women's romantic responses. By celebrating each partner's unique journey and preferences, couples embark on a shared exploration that deepens their bond and enriches their intimate connection over time. It's through this mutual understanding and appreciation of complexity that couples can cultivate enduring love and emotional intimacy in their relationship. Female romantic response, often characterized by a powerful emotional release, is a phenomenon that defies stereotypes and invites exploration into the intricate interplay of neuroscience, psychology, and personal experience. Many women report experiencing this phenomenon during solo romantic activities, separate from partnered interactions, an aspect of human sexuality that challenges traditional narratives and sheds light on the diverse ways individuals seek and experience pleasure. From a psychological perspective, solo romantic activities offer a unique space for individuals to focus exclusively on their own emotional and physical pleasure without the potential complexities or expectations that can accompany partnered interactions. Dr. Sarah Blake, a noted psychologist specializing in human sexuality, suggests that this self-directed focus may enhance the intensity of emotional release, allowing individuals to explore and connect with their desires and fantasies more deeply. Statistically, solo romantic activities are prevalent among women, with a significant number engaging in these practices as a means of exploring their sexuality and enhancing their overall well-being. Research conducted by the Kinsey Institute reveals that a substantial majority of women incorporate solo romantic activities into their regular routines, highlighting its importance as a natural and healthy aspect of sexual expression. Neurologically, the activation of pleasure centers in the brain during solo romantic activities mirrors responses observed in other pleasurable experiences, such as enjoying favorite foods or engaging in creative endeavors. Dr. Michael Chong, a neuroscientist specializing in emotional responses, explains that the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and oxytocin during these activities contributes to feelings of happiness, relaxation, and emotional fulfillment. Moreover, the preference for solo romantic activities over partnered ones can be attributed to the autonomy and control individuals have over their own experiences. Unlike partnered interactions, which may involve negotiation and compromise, solo activities allow for a personalized exploration of one's desires, pacing, and preferences. This autonomy not only heightens emotional intensity, but also fosters a deeper sense of self-awareness and self-acceptance. Practically, engaging in solo romantic activities has been linked to numerous benefits for mental and emotional health. Studies indicate that individuals who incorporate these activities into their lives report higher levels of well-being, improved mood regulation, and enhanced self-esteem. This positive correlation underscores the therapeutic potential of solo romantic activities in promoting overall sexual wellness and emotional fulfillment. Despite these benefits, societal attitudes and cultural norms often cast shadows of taboo around discussions of solo romantic activities, particularly for women. Dr. Emily Hayes, a sociologist specializing in gender studies, notes that these activities have historically been stigmatized, leading to feelings of shame or guilt among those who engage in them. Normalizing and understanding these experiences can empower individuals to embrace their sexuality and emotional needs without fear of judgment. The concept of peak pleasure during solo romantic activities further underscores the importance of honoring individual preferences and desires. For many women, these intimate experiences provide a profound connection with their bodies and emotions, offering a pathway to deeper self-understanding and satisfaction. Looking ahead, continued research and open dialogue are crucial in dispelling myths and misconceptions surrounding solo romantic activities. By acknowledging and celebrating the diversity of human sexual experiences, we can create a more inclusive and supportive environment where individuals feel empowered to explore and express their sexuality authentically and without shame. In conclusion, the phenomenon of female romantic response during solo activities invites us to reconsider traditional notions of intimacy and satisfaction. By embracing a holistic understanding that integrates neuroscience, psychology, and personal experience, we can foster a healthier and more nuanced perspective on sexual wellness and emotional fulfillment, ultimately enriching our understanding of human sexuality as a whole. Let's delve into the intriguing world of human romance, where myths, facts, and scientific discoveries intersect in surprising ways. Have you ever wondered about the dynamics of romantic interactions in the workplace, or questioned the validity of age-old beliefs linking physical attributes to romantic prowess? In England, a staggering 90% of adults have acknowledged some form of romantic involvement in office settings. This statistic alone sheds light on the complex interplay between professional environments and personal relationships, a phenomenon that psychologists have long studied. The notion that foot size correlates with male anatomy size is a persistent myth, perpetuated perhaps by societal fascination with physical attributes and their perceived implications on romantic ability. Psychologically, such beliefs may stem from a desire to find simple explanations or correlations in matters as intricate as human attraction and performance. However, scientific evidence consistently refutes any such connection, emphasizing the importance of understanding human anatomy and physiology based on factual knowledge rather than popular beliefs. In the realm of romantic injuries, recent statistics from the United States highlight a startling reality. At least 600 individuals required emergency room visits due to mishaps during romantic encounters. This underscores both the intensity and the risks associated with intimate interactions, prompting further exploration into safety measures and awareness campaigns. Psychologically, such incidents can impact individuals' perceptions of safety and trust within relationships, warranting careful consideration of physical boundaries and communication. An Italian study revealing the potential romantic benefits of apples for women adds a nuanced perspective to dietary influences on romantic health. The finding that apple consumption could enhance lubrication and romantic function points to the intricate connections between diet, physiology, and romantic well-being. Psychologically, this study prompts exploration into how nutritional choices may influence individuals' romantic experiences and satisfaction, highlighting the holistic approach needed to understand human sexuality. The concept of romantic restraint, explored in various studies, suggests that certain forms of physical and emotional boundaries can enhance the intensity and fulfillment of romantic experiences. From a psychological standpoint, the notion aligns with theories of anticipation and delayed gratification, emphasizing the role of emotional connection and mutual respect in fostering deeper intimacy. Understanding these dynamics can guide individuals in navigating their romantic relationships with mindfulness and respect for personal boundaries. Exploring the anatomy of sensitive areas, which contain a remarkable 9,000 nerve endings, sheds light on the physiological aspects of human sexuality. This exceeds twice the number found in the male anatomy, underscoring the intricate sensitivity and responsiveness of these regions. Psychologically, this knowledge informs discussions on pleasure, sensitivity, and individual variability in experiencing romantic satisfaction, emphasizing the importance of mutual understanding and communication in intimate relationships. Real-life statistics and scientific findings provide valuable insights into the complexities of human romance, dispelling myths while uncovering fascinating truths. The intersection of psychology and physiology in romantic contexts invites deeper exploration into the factors influencing attraction, satisfaction, and well-being. By integrating factual knowledge with psychological understanding, individuals can enhance their awareness and approach to romantic relationships, fostering healthier dynamics and greater emotional fulfillment. The study of human romance encompasses a rich tapestry of biological, psychological, and social factors. From debunking myths about physical attributes to exploring the impact of dietary choices and emotional boundaries, each discovery offers valuable lessons for understanding and enhancing romantic experiences. By embracing scientific inquiry and psychological insights, individuals can navigate the complexities of romance with empathy, respect, and a deeper appreciation for the multifaceted nature of human intimacy. Now, it's some interesting aspects about how women experience romantic arousal and intimacy, and what factors can influence these experiences. Firstly, it's essential to recognize that women generally require more time and specific stimulation to reach a romantic climax compared to men. Research indicates that at least 15 minutes of correct stimulation is typically needed. Surprisingly, statistics suggest that a significant portion, around 80%, of women have not experienced a romantic climax in their lives, highlighting the variability in sexual experiences among women. Interestingly, the use of protection, such as condoms, does not interfere with a woman's ability to experience a romantic climax, as evidenced by studies conducted at Indiana University. This finding underscores the importance of understanding individual sexual responses and needs, regardless of contraceptive use. In popular culture, the sensitive area involved in female arousal has gathered various nicknames, ranging from the love button to chickpeas, illustrating the diverse ways people refer to this intimate part of the body. Our attraction to others isn't just based on physical appearance. Scent plays a significant role as well. People are naturally drawn to individuals who smell pleasant, which can influence initial attraction and romantic encounters. Work-related stress can significantly impact romantic activities. The more stress an individual experiences from their job, the less likely they may be to engage in romantic activities, highlighting the interconnectedness of mental well-being and sexual health. Women have two primary erogenous zones, the G-spot and the opening of the cervix. Understanding these areas can be crucial for enhancing sexual satisfaction and intimacy within relationships. Memory also plays a role in romantic interactions. Women tend to have a better memory capacity than men, particularly for emotional and detailed aspects of past events. This can influence how they perceive and engage in romantic activities, emphasizing the importance of emotional connection and context. Every woman's anatomy is unique, similar to how nerve endings are distributed differently in each person's body. This uniqueness extends to intimate areas, emphasizing the need for individualized approaches to sexual stimulation and satisfaction. As individuals age, physiological changes occur, including growth in sensitive areas. For instance, the sensitive area related to romantic arousal continues to develop and enlarge throughout a woman's life, reaching 4 times its original size by the time she reaches her 30s. During romantic activities, the brain operates differently for women, with triggers of fear and anxiety being temporarily switched off. This neurological aspect can enhance feelings of relaxation and intimacy during sexual encounters. The realm of online dating has become increasingly common, with a majority of women engaging in relationships initiated through online platforms. However, many women report feelings of regret after such encounters, underscoring the complexities of modern dating dynamics. Exploring how different forms of stimulation, such as oral and manual techniques, can enhance romantic responses is also important. Understanding these techniques can contribute to a deeper connection and satisfaction between partners. Research has also explored the relationship between solo romantic activities and health benefits for women, such as a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. This highlights potential health advantages linked to sexual activity and self-care. Certain foods and scents have been found to enhance romantic desire and arousal. For instance, raspberries and pumpkin are noted for their potential to stimulate blood flow and promote arousal, illustrating how diet and sensory stimuli can influence sexual experiences. Lastly, confidence and self-assurance are attractive qualities that can enhance romantic interactions. Men often find women who exude self-confidence and self-esteem more appealing, contributing to positive relationship dynamics.